to be domesticated by man. So dog is the first animal to be domesticated. So domesticated means kept as pet. Kept as pet. So you cannot keep a Royal Bengal tiger in the house as a pet. So the dogs, they were the first animal to be domesticated by man. In our Puranas also, in Mahabharata, Yudhishthira along with his brothers, there is a story, I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Yudhishthira,
Yudhishthir got in the heaven with his dog.
yes, because you know all brothers and Draupadi also wanted to go. So one by one, all the brothers died on the road, and at last only one dog was with Yudhishthira. So dog is associated with dharma. Dharma means not Hindu, Muslim, Sikh like this. Dharma means good one. So after death, no, nothing goes with us. According to Hindu mythology, only our good work goes with us. Dharma does not mean you are a Hindu or Muslim or Christian, nothing like that. Dharma means our good deeds. So the lesson from Mahabharata we learn that only the good deeds go with God. And in our house also, in the morning, suppose you have some bad days are with you. Some pundits say it is due to the movement of the planets. Grahada Savara. With love, the movement of the planet is bad. So we give food to the dog and the crow. So this is our common belief in Hindu mythology. So this is the story of the dog. So now you see, dog is the most faithful animal. So there are instances where dogs died in order to save the life of.
Sir.
Good morning, most welcome. Kanishka, okay, please come. You are not regular, Kanishka. Be regular, please. Okay. We are taking the attendance in the email, no. That's why be regular. We are able to know who is coming, who is not coming, like this. So what happened? This is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. Tame, domesticated as tame. Tame also is the same meaning, domesticated. Tame and domesticated were one. So domesticated means can be kept as pet. So in the house, no, dogs and cats are common pets, and some people are keeping unusual pets. Unusual means like a lion, like a tiger, like a myna, like something which is not kept usually as pet. So once upon a time, dogs were once their own master and lived the way wolves do in freedom until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. So the dog was also having no master. It was wandering aimlessly. Wandering means moving aimlessly. Okay. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. So wandering about means moving aimlessly. Wandering is moving aimlessly. So this is the story how the dogs became the favorite pet of the man. So there was a time when the dogs were not having any masters and they were moving aimlessly. One dog was there who does not like this way of life because only you have to be look for food and afraid of stronger animals. In jungle, what is the rule? Might is right. Here you have court, you have law, you have police. But in the jungle, what is there? Only might is right. Might is right, matlab, if you have more strength. Okay, wandering, moving, yes. Dibjot is right. So in the forest, no, the dog was wandering. He had two purposes. What are they? Number one, to search for food. Number two, being frightened. Frightened means afraid. Okay, frightened, afraid. So the dog was wandering here and there, being searching for food and being afraid of the stronger animals. Page number 18, you please open. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. Set out means start. To set out. Start. So the dog started his journey. What was the purpose? The purpose was to search for a master. To search for a master. So the dog became bored, moving himself alone, and always searching for food and being afraid of the stronger animals. So he thought, I will be the servant of an animal who is stronger than all the animals. Then I can remain happy. So he set out in the phrase, it means he started searching for a stronger animal. First of all, he made a kinsman of his, a big wolf. Kinsman means you can tell relative. Kinsman. Kinsman means relative because why wolf is called the kinsman of dog? Because why you can say why wolf is called the kinsman of dog? Because they belong to one family. The wolf and the dog belong to one family. They are having same body structure, and they belong to the canine family. Canine family. So they eat non-veg. Okay. Their body structure, you see, wolf and dogs, they have many similarities. So it is believed that the dog and wolf belongs to one family. Yes, wolf is considered as stronger, but wolf and dog belong to one family. Their body structure, their biological construction, everything, food habits are same. So the dog first went to a wolf, and big wolf was as strong as he was fierce. Fierce means dangerous. Fierce, you write down dangerous. So here no, I told you as and as. As strong as and as comparison is there, simile is there. I told you no, he is as strong as a lion. He is as swift as a deer. We have done. So he was strong. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master wolf? So the wolf asked the dog, oh dog, where are you going? So the dog told that I want service. I want to serve under somebody. I want a master. So will you be my master? I am looking for. Looking for means searching. This is also a place. Looking for. Looking for is searching. Looking for is searching. So the dog told, I am looking for somebody. Okay. So who is stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find out some master. So someone who take up service with, would you like to be my master? So the dog asked the wolf, oh wolf, do you want to be my master, or will you be my master? Okay, I don't see why not, the wolf said. And this agreed upon, and the two of them went on together. Went on means walked together, continued together, this meaning will come. Okay. Okay, so I can drop the food, no problem. So, clear no? Dog and wolf. So, once upon a time, there was a dog. The dog became bored. Why? Because all that time he has to wander, searching for food and being afraid of other animals. He wanted that I will be the servant of a strong animal so that I need not to be afraid. What happened? Okay, so what he did, he requested a wolf to be his master. So the wolf agreed, and dog and wolf became master and servant. Any doubt is there? Or up to this it is clear? Clear, no, Anuj? Clear?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So shall we go next? So first the dog took service with the wolf. First the dog took service with the wolf. Up to this. Okay. Then they walked and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly. Darted means moved quickly. So darted means moved quickly. Moved quickly.
Sir, we have to write this.
No need, you have already written. If you have doubt, you write
Yes,
it.
sir, we have already written.
Already written, you have to write second time. So, and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest, the dog was not surprised. The dog was surprised that what happened, the wolf was normal and why it is moving. What has come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Come over means happened. So he was surprised. So
Kind of.
So come over means happened. So the dog was surprised that till now the wolf was normal. Now what happened to the wolf? Okay. So the wolf told
The wolf was afraid of deer.
bear. A bear out there and he might eat out both of you and me. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him. Now the dog changed his mind. Why? Because the bear is stronger than
Because
the wolf.
the deer was stronger than wolf.
Very good answer. So because the bear was stronger than the wolf, so the dog decided to take service with the bear. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let us go and find a head of cows." So a dash of cows, you are writing a head of cows.
A group of crows.
Head of a dash of bees. What will you write? Swarm of
A
bees.
hive of bees.
No, swarm of bees. There are different words, don't tell the same word. A dash of thieves, a gang of thieves. See, there are different words for each. You cannot write the same for everything. A school of fish, we are telling. A school of fish are school of fish. Okay. So similarly, there was a group of cows grazing. The wolf told, "Let us go." The bear told, "Let us go and attack them. We can both eat our fill." They walked on and on, soon saw a herd of cows. Just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and runs in panic in all directions. Move. Cows move. Dogs. What will you write for dogs?
Bark.
Dogs. Bark. Cats.
Mew.
Mew. Very good. Tigers.
Roar.
Tiger roars. Tiger roars. Cats mew. Dogs bark. So dogs bark. Cats mew. Like this, there are different words. Birds, chirp, chirp. So in English, there are different words for different sounds made by different animals. Okay. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in panic in all directions. The bear looked out from behind a tree. Then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Hastily means very quickly. Hastily quickly. So what happened? The dog understood that the bear is also afraid of somebody. So now why did you have to come here? He said to the dog. Is the lion who rules the forest in these parts? So the lion, who is he? Don't you know he is the strongest animal and beast on earth? So the bear told the dog became afraid that what happened to you? Why are you afraid? Then the bear told it is the lion. So lion is the strongest animal in earth. Then page number 20 you open. Well, then I will say goodbye to you, dear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone else on earth. So the dog decided he will leave the bear and go with the lion. Okay. So, what's up? What are you sending? Tanuj, what happened? Any doubt is there, Tanuj? Okay. Tanuj, any doubt is there? I have opened the WhatsApp, you tell me. Okay, Dibjot is correct, Siddhika is correct, Vaishnavi correct, Beer was Siddhika, Vaishnavi, Dibjot, all correct, Kinjal also correct. Horse neigh, N-E-I-G-H, Kinjal, horses neigh, N-E-I-G-H, horses neigh. And the lion was afraid of man. Okay, correct. Ishani also correct. Okay, I am closing the WhatsApp. We will go to the text again. Okay, I am rubbing the board. So the dog now decided that the lion is the strongest of all the animals. So he wanted to take service with the lion. Clear? So the dog now be the servant of the lion. The lion and the dog went and asked the lion to be his master. So he directly went to the lion and asked, "Oh lion, I want to be your servant." The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. So because the lion was the king of the forest and most strongest among all, so all were afraid of the lion, so the dog lived with the lion happily. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, but there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion and no one dared touch the dog or offend him. Offend means to harm. Offend means to harm or insult. To harm or insult. To harm or insult. Okay. Please write down. Then you see now his life was safe because nobody will touch the lion. He became safe and happy. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs. Amid means in the middle of. Amid. In the middle of. One day what happened? The dog and the lion were walking amid the cliffs. Cliffs means topmost point of the mountains. Mountain cliffs are there. So these cliffs were there. The mountain, uneven mountains were there. Okay. So when all of a sudden the lion stopped, he gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw, with such force that a hole formed there. Struck means strike, struck. Strike, past tense, struck. Struck, past tense. This is past tense. So what happened? lion stopped and beat the ground with his paw. Paw means it has four legs. No, on the paw he did like this and roared. So he beat with such force. A hole was formed in the ground. Okay. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog surprised. The dog was surprised till now everything was normal. So what happened to the lion? I smell a man coming this way. The lion said, "You would better run for it or you will be in trouble." Because the lion is afraid of the man. So the lion told, "Oh dog, now let us hide." Why? Because a man is coming this way. If we remain, it will be dangerous for us. Oh well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. What a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. So from that day onwards, what happened? The dogs were the loyal. Loyal means faithful. One who will not betray is called loyal. Loyal. Loyal means faithful. Faithful. So till now, the dog is the most faithful friend of man. Suppose a friend is there, he is not loyal, means you are in danger. So he is the most faithful friend. Okay, chapter is completed. So these question answers we have done already. Already we have done question answers. So why did the dog feel the need of a master? Who will say? Who will say?
The dog was full of purpose. He was sad.
So he wanted a master. Very good. Now, Vedant will say, who did who has to choose as his master? Vedant.
The dog chose the wolf to his first master.
Very good. Correct. Correct. Why did he leave that master? Correct.
Because the wolf of
Who did he choose?
was afraid of bear. He chose bear as
Yes, sir. The wolf was afraid from bear.
Yes.
He wanted to be the master of the beggar.
Why did he serve the lion for a long time?
He served the lion for a long time
Because there
because
was
no one
no
was
bigger
that
master
to harm the lion.
because there is no bigger master than lion in this jungle.
Give chance to one by one because all are telling at one time. I am not able to hear. Okay, Dibzon, you tell why did he serve the lion for a long time?
The dog served the lion for a long time because no one was dated to harm the lion.
Okay, very good. And he had nothing to fear. Or any different answer anybody will tell you, please tell. Anybody wants to tell it differently? You please tell.
Can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, can I tell?
No one dared
to
touch
Sir, there was no bigger
Sir, because the
lion
lion of
jungle.
sir, because lion is the king of the jungle.
Yes.
Sir,
How
there
is
was
the king of
bigger
yes,
animal
yes.
than lion in the jungle.
Then you see go to page number 22. Working with the language.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, can
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I please?
Array, all one by one you
He
tell.
served the lion for a long time.
More
Sir, a fleet
powerful
of sheep.
and stronger than lion in the forest, and so more
I am coming
no
to this
more
side. I can see who is
dared
speaking.
to touch the
Array,
dog.
don't say all the answers. Yes, working with the language will revise now. Okay, Ayan, you tell dash of ships. Ayan.
Sir,
You tell. Very good.
Sir, please.
Fleet of ships. Raj, you tell a dash of flowers. Raj.
Sir, bunch.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Sir, a bunch of flowers.
Second one, a dash
The bunch of flowers.
A bunch.
Very good.
Bunch of flowers,
Now,
sir. Flower.
now who will say? Tanuj. A dash of chicks. Tanuj.
Can I tell?
Yes, Tanuj, you tell.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Tanuj, you tell.
कट के आ रही है सर थोड़ी थोड़ी.
Yes, Tanuj, you tell.
Sir, can you repeat the
सर
question?
आपकी
can
आवाज
I tell?
कट कर आ रही है.
My आवाज is not coming. Okay, very good.
Clear, sir. Sir, voice is coming.
Abhi, you don't know the answer means, see, if you know my voice is coming, if you don't know my voice is not coming. Very good. Okay, Kinjal, you tell. Dash of chicks, Kinjal. Kinjal, telling no. A bunch of flower, Hansika. Kinjal, I am asking. The question is dash of chicks, number 3. Number 3, Kinjal. Very good. Anuj told for Kinjal.
Sir, broad of cheeks.
Yes.
Oh,
Now, dash of cattle, Hardik Prajapati. Hardik, you tell. Dash of cattle. Hardik.
Sir, may I tell? Sir, a herd of cattle. Sir,
a herd.
Sir, herd of cheeks.
Are those who are good children, they can tell. I want to ask. I know जो दयाल खुशी they can tell any answer, but those who cannot say, I am asking them. Sonaki, you tell. Sonaki, ready? Your next question is yours. Okay. Sonaki, you tell. Dash of sticks. Sonaki, are you able to hear? Dash of sticks.
Sir, may I tell? Sir, may I please?
Yes, bundle of sticks.
Sir, a bundle of.
Now, Naina, you tell. Dash of sheep. Dash of sheep, you Naina, you tell.
Please.
Naina, tell.
Sir,
A fleet of sheep.
A flock of sheep.
Okay. Now,
a fleet of sheep.
very
Sir,
nice.
please check
So
my
now,
answer. Sir, please check my answer in chat.
this is not a answer
Sir,
at all.
but-
Very
सर सर
yes.
सब बच्चे बोल रहे हैं इसलिए आवाज आपकी कट कर आ रही है.
नहीं, there is some sound.
Yes, sir.
There. Because our speakers are not working properly. Okay, that's why now Isita will tell what is the noun of honest. Isita Maratha.
Can I?
Isita Maratha, I am asking. Where is she? Noun of honest. Isita Maratha, noun of. Wait. Sneha, you tell. Sneha.
Honesty.
May I tell, please?
Sir, honest.
Honesty.
Attributive noun.
Honesty.
Abstract noun. Abstract noun.
Noun of sad. Noun of sad.
Sadness.
Very good.
Kindly.
Noun of sincere.
Kindness.
Noun of
Sincerity.
very good.
Sincerity.
Noun of great.
Greatness.
Very good.
Greatness.
Noun of bitter.
Bitterness.
Sir, bitterness.
Noun of cheerful. Noun of sensitive.
Sensitivity.
Noun of creative. Noun of creative.
Creativity.
Okay, children.
Sir, creativity.
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Now we will go to the dog family. Okay. Has to have read about the origin of the dog. Now about dog family we will read. 1 second. Okay. So about dog family we will study now. So this revision is over, completed, along with question answer and grammar work, language work will be completed. So some outside work we will discuss now related with the same chapter. Okay. So from chapter 2. Okay. What is the feminine form? Feminine form of the plural. Okay. Feminine form means gender. What is the?
Ma'am?
Yes. Dog.
Sir, female form. Sir, female form.
Yes. Female form. Very good. Dog. What will be the feminine?
Sir, bitch.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, bitch.
Bitch.
Sir, bitch.
Okay. Big.
Sir, bitch.
Correct.
Sir, bitch. BIDCH.
Now, wolf.
Sir,
Who can tell you? Yes. What is the feminine form? Wolf.
I don't
Who
know.
knows? You please tell. Wolf.
Wolf.
Sir, I don't know. स्नेहा will tell. अरे स्नेहा बताओ wolf क्या है feminine form? No. Wolf is not.
Sir, vixen.
Yes. Then lion. This is easy.
Sir, tigress.
Lioness.
Sir, lioness.
Lioness.
Sir, lioness.
Bull is
Sir, lioness.
Sir, please repeat.
bull.
Sir,
Cow.
sir, cow.
Sir, welcome now.
Cow. Yes.
Sir, cow.
The cow.
So only this is difficult. The other ones are easy. Horse.
Sir, oxen.
Horse का feminine क्या होगा?
Oxen.
नहीं. Horse. Mare.
Mare.
Like this. Okay. Then you
Okay,
see another one. This revision is completed with feminines we have done. अरे these are simple. What to write?
Sir, आपने horse का क्या लिखा था
In
feminine form?
5th class you have read.
Here.
Okay. Then who said to whom? 5 questions. Who said to whom? 5 questions.
Who said to whom?
1. I smell a man.
Sir, the lion to the dog. Lion to the dog. Sir, the lion said to the dog. The lion said to the dog.
Yes, correct. Then
Sir, cow.
second one. I will kill a cow.
Bear to the dog. Bear
Bear
said
to the
to
dog.
the dog. The
Bear
bear
to the
said to
dog.
the dog.
I don't see why not. I don't see why not.
Wolf to the dog.
Yes.
Wolf to the dog.
Very good.
Said this line to the dog.
Okay. So this way revision we have done already. Now we will make the abstract nouns from the suffix. Suffix you know after the word.
Yes,
Beauty
the prefix and suffix.
you have read.
Beautiful. Beauty.
So what are the suffix? Suffix is suppose one suffix is there hood. HOD. Make a word with hood. Hood. Suffix.
Neighborhood, sir. Neighborhood.
Boyhood.
Yes.
Childhood.
Neighborhood.
Then ITY.
Childhood.
Sir, childhood, neighborhood.
Yes. ITY.
Sir, creativity.
Sir,
Ability.
sensitivity.
Sir, sensitivity. Sir, sincerity.
Sensitivity.
Sensitivity.
Sensitivity, not sensitivity. Sensitivity, ability, like this. Now
Sir,
SION.
sincerity also.
SION you make.
Sir, vision. Sir, vision.
सर ITY का ability, सर ability भी तो हो सकता है ITY का.
सर, SION से vision बनेगा.
No fixed answer.
Sir, vision.
Can be made. Yes, very good. So
Sir,
you have
positive. Sir, positive.
Okay. Tomorrow we will start the part 2 of the same chapter. Okay. So revision we have done this much today. Tomorrow we will deal with the part 2. Okay, children. Very nice. All the best for today's other classes. Please attend the classes and be sincere, children. Okay. Please attend the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Okay,
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Thank you, sir, for teaching us.